Hello guys, this is me again. Today we're going to talk about this man that got run over by not a speeding car but just a vehicle that's entering a subdivision. As you can see, the man was slowly walking, but the driver didn't even consider how slow he was walking. If you're wondering what's happening right now, the man was under the car at that moment. So yeah, he's the one on the ground. This was told by this resident here that he saw. Then the victim.
Tulungan nyo.
Just listen to it.
Talaga siya naghihingal na siya. Ano nangyari sa'yo, Bune? Sabi niya, Ban, sagasa, ako.
Naitakbo pa sa ospital ang biktima pero binawian din ng buhay matapos
by this stupid one.
Version ang suspect.
Hinabol ko hanggang doon sa end ng street na to. Sabi ko, baka pwede bumaba ka muna dyan dahil may nasagasaan ka. Kapatid ko pa.
Kinilala ang suspect na si Nelson.
See about this video, he was still standing and after that just got run over. So I'm telling about this story because Chibi Reviews had a similar story but different from this one, because this was intentional and Chibi was not intentional. He was trying to avoid it. Luckily he avoided it, and for God's sakes, the people who do intentional stuff, stop doing this, because you're going to kill many people more if you do this. So thank you for listening. I hope you watch this to the end, and goodbye.